Guys, how's it going? It is Ricer Civic Day today. We've got parts to install. Let's get to it. What I have here is the lower control arm for my Honda Civic, right over there. So if we get under the vehicle, you can see here that we've got the factory lower control arm, and this one will take its place like so. So we've got a 17 millimeter up here, and we've got 19 millimeter 10-point Honda bolts. In order to install these arms and remove the old ones, you're going to need the Honda Accurate 10-point rear trolling arm socket. You can get this on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. Special socket for those bolts. And 17 millimeter. And a breaker bar, or an ugga-dugga dinger right there. So let's get to it. Arm is off, and man, look at that. Bushing's ripped. Why is it not going in? I have to finesse it with the impact. Jeez. Noise. Wait. This bolt we're not going to tighten until we put the car on the ground. So let's go ahead and do that now. Just kidding. I don't want to put the car on the ground right now because I still have to do the other side, but for demonstration purposes, I'm going to load the suspension. Alright, so we're doing another angle here. So I'm jacking up the arm right there. I'm going to jack it up till I see where my ride height is at, and then I'll get under the car and ugga-dug that bolt down.
Know what I'm saying?
So that's about ride height right there. Might go a little more than that, but it's okay. That gives us enough room to play around. So now the suspension's loaded. Dug time. Yeah, she's good. And that's pretty much how you install a lower control arm for the Civic. This is a 2001 to 2005 Honda Civic. Very 7th generation Honda Civic, so it's very simple and easy to do. 4 bolts total. 3 of those special Honda trailing arm bolts right there, and 1 of that 17 millimeter regular socket right there. So yeah, I mean, the tools are simple. You just need that socket, 10-point Honda Acura socket, and a 17 millimeter socket, and a breaker bar, and a impact gun, and a jack stand, of course, to get your car up on jacks, and then do it with the suspension loaded. So thank you guys so much for watching. It's a short video, but it's a quick tutorial. Hope you guys understood it clearly and are able to do the same to your vehicles, whether it be a Honda Civic like this one, a CR-V Element, or RSX. That's right, yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. Peace.